In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page orientation in LibreOffice Calc. If you need your spreadsheet to print properly, changing the page orientation can make a big difference. For example, portrait works best when your sheet is taller than it is wide, while landscape is usually better for wider tables with lots of columns. The good news is that LibreOffice Calc makes this very easy once you know where to look. To begin, open your LibreOffice Calc file. Make sure you have the spreadsheet in front of you so you can apply the change directly to the document you want to print or format. This setting affects how the page is laid out, so it's especially useful to check before printing or exporting your sheets. Once your file is open, go to the top menu bar and click Format. From the drop-down menu, select Page Style. As soon as you click it, a pop-up window will appear with several formatting options for your spreadsheet page. Inside that window, click on the Page tab. This is where LibreOffice Calc stores the main layout settings for how your sheet will appear on the page. If you don't see the orientation option right away, just take a moment to scan through the settings in this tab. Now look for the section labeled Orientation. Here you'll be able to choose between portrait and landscape. Portrait is the vertical layout, which is often best for simpler sheets or documents with fewer columns. Landscape is the horizontal layout, which gives you more room across the page and is often better for larger spreadsheets. Click the radio button next to the orientation you want to use. Choose portrait if you want the page to stand upright, or landscape if you want the page to be wider from side to side. A helpful tip here is to think about how your content will fit when printed. If your columns feel cramped, landscape may be the better choice. After selecting the orientation you want, click OK to confirm the change. LibreOffice Calc will apply the new page orientation to your spreadsheet. And that's it. You've successfully changed the page orientation in LibreOffice Calc. This is a simple setting, but it can make your spreadsheet much easier to read, print, and share. If you're preparing a document for presentation or printing, it's always worth taking a few seconds to make sure the page layout matches your content.